How to withdraw funds from Indodax. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, tap on the wallet option at the bottom section of the screen, then choose the withdraw section. Next, choose the currency you want to withdraw, either IDR, Indonesian Rupiah, or a cryptocurrency. If you want to withdraw IDR, select IDR and tap on withdraw. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and select your linked bank account. Double check all the details carefully, then tap on withdraw IDR. Your IDR will be transferred to your bank account, usually within a few minutes to a few hours depending on the bank's processing time. Once the withdrawal is complete, you will receive a confirmation and the funds will appear in your bank account or external crypto wallet. Now you know how to withdraw funds from Indodax. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.